Hello everyone, welcome to Life Studies. In this video, we are going to solve one more problem from the same data, that is bookings and users. You can see here the data. We have booking ID, booking date, user ID and line of business, and in case of users table, we have user ID and slot. Okay, now we need to return users who booked more than 2 times in a month. I mean, these are the users are going to book these services in different months, right? Now we need to check and we need to return those users who ordered or booked any services more than 2 times in a month. See, more than 2 times in a month, we need to find those user details. Now how can we return this? See, we are going to select user details from users table. So I'm just selecting u.userid, and I need to find the number of bookings for each user and each month. So I need to return month name also, right? So I will be using date name of booking date. I'm just extracting month from booking date, that is in bookings table. So I'm referring that as b dot. I need to return extract month, right? So I'm just using month and b dot booking date from bookings. B join users u on which condition? In both tables we have common user id equal to u dot user id, right? Now what we are doing, we need to count the number of bookings, right? So we have to use number of, we need to find number of bookings. So I need to use count of b dot booking id, right, from this table, and we are going to join in this one. So we need to find for each user and each month, right? So I need to use group by u dot user id, and also I need to group by date name of month comma b dot booking date. Okay, now if I execute this one, I'll get what? I'll get user id and month and number of bookings. Okay, for each user id in each month, how many number of bookings are done by users. Okay, now if I execute, okay, this is no underscore. So okay, now you can see here for each user id in each month, how many number of bookings are done by each user. Now I'll refer this as number of bookings. Okay, now you can see here user id 1 in different months, different number of bookings are done. Okay, similarly user id 2 in different months, number of bookings. Likewise, if you can see here, these are the 5 users are going to order 20 bookings in different months. Now our question is to find the number of bookings are more than 2 times in a month. So if you filter this number of bookings, if you see this number of bookings, these are nothing but each user in each month. Okay, now if you see, we need to find more than 2, and we have only one record, that is user id 1 in May month. He done 3 bookings. So if you filter out this table, select, I'm retrieving only user id from this one. I'm refer this as a, where a dot number of booking is greater than 2, right? Now if I execute this one, I'll get only one user id only, right? So I need to refer this as month name. Okay, now you can see here, this is the only user id and this is the only user who booked more than 2 times in a month. Okay, I hope you understand this. Thanks for watching.